All right, the Tanger outlets has always been a big hit on my channel, so I figured I'd come back and just film some of these units again. Carrier side discharge. Fans are running awfully slow for the temperatures out here. All right, so it turns out, if you guys remember those York LX units that I always started with, those have all been relocated to the roof. So most of the units that were here in the back are not here anymore. Duquesnes, 2000s or something. No data plate. Coils are pretty corroded. This one's running. Couple of good ones. Disconnected York. I don't know if that's refrigerant oil or not, but it might have been stolen. That sucks. On the Goodman, Train XR. Luxair. That's great for it right there. Linux. Looks like a couple of the XB13s got replaced. Got some newer Carrier stuff here now. 2024 model, 5-ton. Has an Emerson Copeland scroll, that's nice. Train. It's a heat pump. Oh, this is disconnected. What the hell? Disconnect, shut off. Carriers are newly installed, but I don't know if that's copper thievery or not, because it looks like refrigerant oil, but if they cut the line set, they should have just taken the unit, right? This one's running. Brand new. Nice and cold. Yeah, that sucks. Most of these units are gone now, so. Go over here real quick. Another Carrier Comfort. Just replaced an XB13 as well. Copeland. Nearing the end of the summer, but I tell you what, it's still pretty hot out here. It's replaced an older train. A few more right here. Goodman. Come on, really? I don't know why people are afraid of pipe benders. That's stupid. York right here. There's a lot more of these LX series units popping up. I don't know who that guy is. Train Odyssey. Oh, it's got one of those 3D scrolls, I think. Same unit. Not running. And it looks like we have a Carrier Gemini down here. Yep. I think this one's running. So we'll look at this one. Except for this one. Here we have more at the other building. This one got hit by a car. 2011. Suction line's cold. Old York. Carrier. Train. American Standard XB pieces of junk. What the hell did that say? Century. LG. Goodman. This has to be like a 5-ton or something like that. Yep. It's an early one too. Ice cold. Another Century. Hacked up. It's a heat pump. It's a defrost board. Hack condensate too. might have the reciprocating compressors, I'm not sure. It would be nice if one of them started up. Is that a capacitor right here? I definitely heard a dead front cap on that one. A couple of carriers. Doesn't sound so good. Fan's running in reverse on this one. And a Goodman. Bunch of Train XR units right here. Looks like an older one right here. The red Alliance scroll. Oh no, 2021. I don't know if that's an older compressor or what. Somebody can get the ear off that for me. It's very humid out today. Alright, so some of these are from 2022 and some are from 2021, like this.